igebra.ai conducted RobArt workshop at GMR Chinmaya Vidyalaya, Shamshabad, Hyderabad on 3rd December 2022. RobArt is creative coding. It is a fun, colorful and exciting way to create beautiful math art, patterns and also creative animations using the programming language Scala. RobArt instills an immense amount of creativity, develops algorithmic thinking and gives kids the ability to think mathematically. Students loved RobArt. They were jumping with joy when their favorite cartoon characters were made using RobArt. It was an amazing experience for all the students to learn about coding, and what better way to start their coding journey than by animating their favorite cartoon characters. They were super excited to learn the code and also the logic to create beautiful math art and patterns. With RobArt, our aim is to nurture creative imagination in children and help them become creators and innovators in the rapidly advancing technological world.